Hello, in front of me I've got Black Shark 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock and confirm. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. Let's select PIN. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select password. And in the end, pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, and simply we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located right here at the side of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.